Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Why brand building is important in Amazon private label. Brand building is particularly important for Amazon private label businesses for several reasons. Differentiation in a crowded marketplace. Amazon is a highly competitive platform with millions of products. Building a strong private label brand helps differentiate your products from countless similar offerings, making it easier for customers to recognize and choose your products. Customer trust and loyalty. When customers see a brand they trust, they are more likely to purchase and return for future purchases. Building a reputable brand under your private label helps establish trust and encourages repeat business, leading to increased customer loyalty. Perceived quality and value. A well-crafted brand can convey a sense of quality and reliability, which is crucial in a marketplace where customers cannot physically examine products before purchasing. Strong branding can make your private label products appear more valuable and trustworthy. Premium pricing. With a strong brand, you can often command higher prices for your products. Customers are generally willing to pay more for products from brands they perceive as high quality or prestigious, allowing you to improve your profit margins. Expansion opportunities. Once you establish a successful private label brand, it becomes easier to expand your product line or enter new categories. The brand equity you've built can help new products gain traction more quickly, as customers are more likely to trust new offerings from a brand they recognize. Positive reviews and word of mouth. A strong brand encourages positive customer reviews and word of mouth recommendations, which are crucial for success on Amazon. Good reviews and customer testimonials can significantly boost your product's visibility and sales. Brand protection. Building a recognizable and reputable brand helps protect against counterfeiters and unauthorized sellers. Customers are more likely to seek out your branded products specifically, reducing the risk of losing sales to inferior copies. Resilience against negative feedback. A strong brand can better withstand occasional negative reviews or issues. Loyal customers who trust your brand are more likely to forgive minor setbacks and continue supporting your products. Building a long-term asset. Ultimately, a well-established private label brand becomes a valuable asset that can contribute to long-term business success. It can also increase the value of your business if you ever decide to sell it. In conclusion, brand building for Amazon private label products is essential for standing out in a competitive marketplace, building customer trust and loyalty, commanding higher prices, expanding your product range, and creating a resilient and valuable business.